So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about UTI AMC as well as Mezagon Doc. So we know that tomorrow is the listing day of both these two IPOs. So we'll discuss how much jump in grey market premium is present, and also we'll discuss about Likita Infrastructure, so whose listing day is on 15th of October. So we'll see regarding the premiums, and also we'll discuss what should be the strategy when the listing of these IPOs will take place. So whether to book profits, or we can add additional investments, or fresh investment also be done in case of UTI AMC. So we'll discuss everything. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So first, if we see Mezagon Doc, so how much amount of listing gains we can expect? So an update has come regarding the listing gains. So currently we are seeing almost 80% listing gains in Mezagon Doc. So since past few sessions, we have seen almost the premium rupees was trading near 115 as well as 110, but later when it has declined again, it has retained that 110 as well as 115 rupees level. So what about UTI AMC? Okay, so UTI AMC is a little bit of having weakness, or we can say flat opening will be seen in the IPO, but nothing to panic. So so many people have messaged that they have got the allotment of UTI AMC because the subscription was less, since the NIIs as well as HNIs have shown some little subscription. So even the retail category, when it was subscribed little less, so chances of getting has increased. So many people have got the allotment of UTI AMC. So how much we can say discount may be available? So not much discount, almost we are seeing only 10 to 15 rupees decrease in the premium price. So that is not even a much loss to us. But company wise, we know that it is a mutual fund company, and it has very good anchor investors. So there is one difference between Indian investing companies as well as foreign investing companies. So I discussed clearly, whenever any foreign investment company is investing in Indian companies, they should hold for a certain period of time without doing any selling. But whereas Indian companies, we see they do selling within a short range and they exit. So that will not happen in this case. So we will not see heavy downfall. So again, it may retain. So that is very important point to be noted. So this is what I was saying, that Mezagon Doc, where he's trading between 105 as well as 116 on Saturday morning, indicating listing gains up to 80%. And we can see, whereas UTI AMC is available at a discount of 5 to 11 rupees. So we can see almost flat to minor downfall will be present in UTI. So that is not much difference for us. So what is our strategy? Best to hold it without doing any sort of selling, because at any point of time, any investing firm may also invest, because the fundamentally wise the UTI AMC is very strong. So we'll further discuss about UTI AMC. So because this is very important, because many people have got the allotment, so they're having little panic situation. So we'll clear that everything, so that we'll have a confident opinion on UTI AMC. So many people are not aware of the anchor investment percentage that all the mutual fund companies are having. So we know that in our Indian stock market, we mainly focus on three asset management companies. So one is HDFC AMC, second one is Nippon India AMC, now third is added, that is UTI AMC. So we know that HDFC AMC, how much amount of returns it has given in a short span of time. So if we go 1 year back, as well as Nippon India, if you go 1 year back, almost in 1 year it has doubled our investment. So that much amount of investments it has given. So currently, if you see the percentage of subscription by anchor, you can see 44.41% is present for Nippon India, and if you see HDFC AMC 35, and you can say UTI AMC almost 67% is present. So if you see in crores how much amount is being invested, so you'll see in UTI AMC only you're seeing 435 crores, and followed by HDFC AMC 261 and Nippon India 205.5 crore. Okay, so demand is present. Asset management company, we know that still more growth is there. So still it is underrated sector, so further movement also will be present. So definitely you can hold this particular stock without doing any sort of selling. So this is clear indication. So don't have any panic situation, because many people have got the allotment. So selling is some sort of we can say not good for these type of companies. So if we see angel brokering and those companies, so those are the companies where competition is present. And also even in the GMP, if we compare with UTIMC did not decrease, but it has remained flat. But if we compare angel brokering, it has kept on decreasing. So one negative will be present when we compare company to company. Sector is important. So when you're investing, focus on the sector. So this is quality sector, so that is also a good sector, but competition is present. So you need to understand these things. So last one is Likita Infrastructure. So about this particular IPO, so when the date was released, we have discussed about this particular IPO, whether we can apply or not. So people have applied and got the allotment. They can also watch this video as well as. So clearly we are seeing almost 5 rupees positive premium in this particular stock. So October 15th is the listing day. So in between we are having 3 to 4 trading sessions. So definitely in that also the gray market premium may change, so little volatility is present. So completely even market sentiment is very essential. So if market is in positive side, so then we can expect some more returns, but in negative side, then as usual we'll see little bit of decline in premiums. So don't worry. So if all of you have invested in quality stocks, Mazagon Dock, if you're getting heavy gains, so definitely you can exit your listing gains, and rest of all you can hold it. Obviously a profit booking will be seen in that, because it is a PSU based company. So at any point of time many people may book their profit, but as usual you can hold it. Okay, so understand the concept clearly. Even in Chemcon share, so when we discussed after the listing as well as before the listing day also, we have discussed some key factors, so that also you need to understand. So watch that video as well. So after the listing of these two companies will be completed, definitely I'll make a separate video that is tomorrow itself what to do. Okay, so stay tuned. So watch the videos which I posted earlier as well, so that every doubt will be cleared. So in next videos we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care. Bye bye.